Welcome to a combination of days 4 and 5 of our Star Wars party. It's late Friday, it's dinner time. For day 4, it was my birthday, so we didn't do much. We watched the movies and they filled out the packets and we just spent time together. Did we do anything interesting? Nope. We ordered pizza. We ordered pizza last night. We had pizza delivered that way. Nobody had to clean up. Nobody had to do any cooking or anything, and everybody enjoyed it, right?
Plus pizza.
And I got to have cheesy bread and the special chicken with the barbecue sauce and cheese and stuff on it. So that was cool. It's day 5. They watched episodes 7 and 8 today. I had to go do a grocery order today. That was fun. So Matt made dinner. Want to talk about dinner?
I made teriyaki pork over rice with a broccoli and rice soup.
So we're gonna try it. It sounds really good. It's Porg versus Trina, the mechanic spider that I hate. On your marks, get set, go.
Hey! You push, that's cheating.
Trina wins.
Yes!
Try again.
I have to
It's okay if she's allowed to make Porg go straight. She can make Porg go straight. Go back.
Pull it off.
Go back. 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 The edge of the coffee table.
Sometimes.
That's not gonna help, Sarah.
But sometimes when I don't care. When I press the button, it's not moving.
Back to the edge of the coffee table. You can push the button more than once if you need to.
Stop that.
Porg, you're cheating. But you're adorable. Unlike the spider that creeps me out.
I think it's the cutest thing that came onto this planet.
On your mark.
Mom, Porg came
Madeline, pull back. Go a little bit. Okay, stop. Get set. Go. Trina's cheating. She's trying to trip the Porg.
No! Trina has a limp leg. As in, like, literally. Trina's a robot with a limp leg.
Trina wins. By the way, no, Sarah. Put her down.
Oh, okay.
This creeps me out so bad.
But yeah, Trina has a limp leg. Let's see, where are you? Oh, right here. There's supposed to be a peg. It came kind of defective, so you can't put a peg right there for it to walk. So sometimes you have to straighten out her course.
Still creeps me out.
Oh, but she's the cutest thing in the universe. I'll let her wake you up tomorrow morning.
Only if you don't want to have to scrub every single wall in the house.
I think I'll stick with watching Raven's Home.